If it's a fake bird, I'll call it. Remember? Man, they just did. I was to this weird court. Man, I just found.
Somewhere out there.
I looked on the thing again. It wasn't even scheduled until like this morning. I'm quite sure. Because they had never scheduled it for today. And it's like not, there's nothing been mailed to the bondsman. It says Invalid Court Session. The guys, they refused. So I go up there. Now it's like a while ago. See, a couple weeks ago. So I go upstairs. And so I have my forensic person like that. There, that lady, you know? And then, hey, that lightning, that was for me, man.
Huh?
That was for me if that lightning was good, man.
The lightning what?
That's for me.
That's for you?
Yep.
Oh.
I don't care what they say. They just said I'm incompetent, too.
Yeah.
They would do that, too.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they did a lightning. And then they turn off some of the shit, the power. The escalators. Just because I wrote that stuff. But, yeah. But they wouldn't know. They had scheduled this. So they might be that good they can predict when the storms are coming. Maybe, maybe not. See, it's not something big deal. They just lie. They have the science. They just lie, man.
Huh?
They would just lie. There could be a science. And if they could predict the storms a lot better, you know, like Alex Jones says, if they just lie, man, about basic science. But anyway, okay, yeah, feds everywhere, man. You don't have the one, so. And then my lawyer, okay, I got the two lawyers. One, he acts like he's afraid of the hand sanitizer. The other thing, that's outside the door. It's all fake. So I have to come back in December. Like it's July, and they're going to delay it till December. They got to delay it till December. And fuck around. I'm going to talk about dismissing it in a year. Because I'm too retarded to go to court. And they're all lying, man. They're carrying on the case without me. And they're the only ones in the courtroom. And the poor feds had to be running around. They didn't want to go in there hither and thither. Not these guys. They had like feds on purpose. Dang, man. In my belt. I didn't put my belt on yet. In the middle of it. Yeah, so yeah. But, what do I do? Hey. Okay. But how could it be lightning? You know, because it's a pretty good day for it. God, could they predict it? That would be like 2 weeks ahead of time. That would just be happenstance. And they got lucky, right? But I know they'd be able to make it go at a certain time. But it could have gone all the other times, too. Just like has to go nearby the escalator stops, they turn that off. It'd still be, maybe not as dramatic as when I'm leaving. But, I don't know, I put this here, I was in the mood. It's on a Tuesday. But like, it had to be like this, man. And I'll gotta be lying. Hey, too tired for court. You didn't take another lying, man. I'm on my best. Because they gotta dismiss on the four corners of the charging documents. If those things, presuming everything's all the way correct, factual, everything, that means the arrest report and whatever else, charging documents, like to fit the crime. And not resisting. I think the only thing on charging documents is the cop. It's not the cop that arrests me either. It's the cop that threw me to the ground. He said stop resisting. He never says I was resisting. And then these lawyers are trying to tell me that's enough. No, it ain't enough. Well, if it is enough, then they find out when they testify, no, he didn't mean that, because he's not going to fucking say that. He just said he said that. That's just like one of those things they throw out, Like, here, catch. Man, and I get more things, and they're like, But my lawyer's doing fake. I'm so nervous about all this stuff. Hand sanitizer machine was going, or something sounded like that outside the door, and he acting like he's like just freaking out, paranoid. So he's lying. It's probably, I think the guy's nervous, and they get nervous, and he's like up in it, you know, with all the acting. And that's the thing, it's a feature, not a bug. I guess we got another shit. At 2 hours. Look around. And stop and film. That's sad, that's stupid, man. Yeah, like go and come back tomorrow.